The Le Creuset Cast Iron collection is stylish, durable and extremely versatile. It is suitable for use on all hob types from gas to induction or even the barbecue. Always heat your grill pan empty on medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes before adding food. The unique black enamel surface is very durable and will not peel off over time. The ribs produce perfect, professional char-grilled lines, enhancing flavour. Quick, easy and healthy, the oils and cooking juices collect below the ribs. You can even make a tasty jus by deglazing the pan juices after cooking. Experience the outstanding performance and versatility of Le Creuset Cast Iron. Tested, trusted, guaranteed for life.